So hi, hello everyone. In today's video I am going to talk about this Honeywell space heater, you guys. I'll show you the demonstration how it works. So they have speed of 1 2 3, and there's a sensor. When you touch it and when you're too close, it will just turn it off. This is higher, lower, and there's the pan, and this is the one that it will turn and on and off. So and then when you touch this, you guys, I've been using this in here. It's under my desk, so it's cold in here. I just used it today too. It's getting cold my feet. So let's just start it in. So this is how I do it. And if you touch it, it will just turn it off because it's the sensor. So it's well. Yeah, heat, guys. They give so much heat. Yeah. So that's the motion sensor, and let's turn it off. Pull it off. There. So I love this space heater, and it's slim, cylindrical. They don't take much space, and I highly recommend it.